Good morning, all. I am at Thekkady in Kerala, and this is a place called Bamboo Grove, which is outside the Periyar Tiger Reserve. We are out in the morning for a river trail and hiking in the jungles. There's a small group of us, escorted by the forest guards, and it's a lovely morning, sunny. It's a day affair, a lot of hiking and going through the forest trails. So it's going to be a fun affair. Everyone has been advised to put on their lead socks, as you can see, including mine own. And people are going as if they are going for Jai Mata Di. But I can assure it's going to be a tough trail. Signing off for now, 16th April 2022, Periyar Tiger Reserve, Thekkady, Kerala. So now we are inside the jungle. All jungle. 1 second. There is leech all around. Yeah. Don't worry. They will not reach. That's all right. There will be so many around. Yeah. So now we are deep in the jungle. And that's our trail. That's where we came back from. Lovely golden hour in the morning. So on our way to the bamboo raft experience on Lake Periyar. This is 16th of April 2022. This is a Perfect bamboo raft as we glide by the forests. Co-travelers busy shooting, eating. Right in the middle of a tropical rainforest. Very dense. Periyar National Park. Habitat of tigers, elephants, sloth bears, wild boars, porcupines.
Candy flower.
It's a nice one. Candy flower. Some crossing that we'll have to do. Complete jungle trail. We are safely being escorted by a forest guard. There he comes. There is a trail back. Some experience in itself. Signing off from the elephant and tiger country, south of India, Periyar National Park, 16th April 2022. Ciao.